Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to look at the Halloween mask. This is a lights up. It has 3 different settings. You have to put a battery in it. It also has a forehead thing that you can put for cushion. It also has an instruction manual. Now we will go more in depth into how it operates and look at more what it looks like at night and also during the day. I already tested it. So it has to be a little bit dark for you to be able to see the light, but this is a great Halloween. It also has a long cord, so you can put it in your pocket, your front pocket, side pocket, back pocket. So just a great little mask. And so we're just going to continue and look at the mask. Okay, so now we're going to just test the mask. We're going to put in the batteries, and then we'll turn off the light so you can see it both in the light and the day and night. So I'm going to put the batteries in, and it requires 2 AA batteries. Let me do this. So and so it has an on-off switch. So you can see. Now I will be turning off the light so you can see a little better. But and so it has different modes that you could do. But I'm going to turn off the light so you guys can see better. All right, so this is the way the mask looks once the light's off. Let me change some of the settings. That's just solid. Then you can have it at that speed or a little bit slower. Put the mask on. And so it's not so bad that you can't see it. It's easy to see. And you really can't tell the light's flickering. You can see a little bit of the flicker in between the middle of your, in between your nose. And you can see a little bit in your peripheral at the bottom. One thing I did notice, I wish that the nose area was a little bit more, had more room, but I do like that you're able to see easily through right here. Also, it covers your whole face, and there is plenty of forehead area. Just the nose, I wish was a little bit, it had a little bit more room, but this is a great mask for Halloween. I can see a lot of people using this. It also has where you can adjust a little bit. So if you wanted to tighten it, you can tighten it, you can loosen it. Also, the cord is really long, so you can keep it in your pocket, or you can keep it in the back pocket, and you won't even notice it. So just a great mask. Highly recommend if you're looking for one of the glow masks that is sold for Halloween. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.